Once upon a time in a small village lived a farmer named Velu. He was very poor. His land was dry and barren, and he struggled every single day just to find enough food to eat. Life was very hard for him. One evening, while walking through the forest, he found a very strange hen. It wasn't an ordinary bird. It had shimmering feathers and a soft, magical glow around it. Surprised and hopeful, Velu took the hen home. The next morning, Velu woke up to a huge surprise. The hen had laid an egg, but not just any egg. It was solid gold. Velu could not believe his eyes. He was holding pure fortune in his hands. Every single day, the magical hen laid one golden egg. Velu sold them and slowly became very rich. His old mud hut turned into a large mansion. He wore the finest silk clothes. He was now the wealthiest man in the village. But as his wealth grew, so did his greed. An evil thought crossed his mind. He thought, "Why should I wait for just one egg a day? There must be hundreds of gold eggs inside the hen's stomach. If I take them all at once, I will be the richest man in the world instantly." Blinded by greed, he didn't think twice. He grabbed a sharp knife. Ignoring the poor hen's life, he cut it open, hoping to find a treasure trove of gold inside. He looked inside with excitement, but he was shocked. There were no golden eggs. Inside, it was just like any other normal hen. The hen was dead, and the supply of gold was gone forever. Velu sat on the floor and cried bitterly. Velu's greed made him lose everything he had. He eventually lost his wealth and became poor again. The moral of the story is, greed is a curse. We should be happy with what we have because those who want everything often end up with nothing.